One.
Hi everyone, it's Ms. Delau here. The purpose of this video is to help you check over your introduction paragraph for your argumentative essay. On the left side of the screen, you will see the notes for the 3 parts of your introduction paragraph. These notes should look familiar to you because this is what we went over in class today. On the right side of the screen, you will see a model essay. Please note that this model essay has a different question. This question focuses on Mr. Doolittle and if he has changed internally. So although you can use this model essay as a guide, it should not be word for word the same as your essay. So let's look at the first step of an introduction paragraph. The first step is a hook. On the left, you'll see highlighted in green what a hook sentence is. You want to capture your reader's attention. On the right side of the paragraph, you'll see a model hook. It is said that clothes make the man, but what do they make him? Please pause the video at this time. Find your hook. Make sure it's the first sentence of your introduction paragraph. Make sure it's a complete sentence. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation point. Please pause the video and highlight or label your hook. Okay, the next step of an introduction paragraph is your necessary information. We're going to break this up into 2 parts. The first part of your necessary information is your title, author, and genre. Please take a look at your introduction paragraph. Please label T for your title, Pygmalion, A for your author, George Bernard Shaw, and G for your genre, which is a play. Please pause the video and label T-A-G. The second part of the necessary information is your background info. This is the who, what, where, when, why. You need to pretend as if the person reading this essay has never read or heard of Pygmalion before. So you don't want to give an overview of the entire story. You just want the most important information. Let's take a look at our model essay. We have the who, Alfred Doolittle, Eliza, Henry Higgins. Those are the important people according to this model essay prompt. We have the what is happening. Henry Higgins is taking on a bet that he can pass Eliza off as an upper class lady. Where? In London. Why? The same thing, to pass Eliza off as an upper class lady. Please take a look at your background information. Make sure you have who the characters are that you're going to be referring to in your essay. What was happening in this play? Why was it happening? Where was it happening? Label that in your essay. Please make sure that all your characters' names have capital letters. Pause the video and label who, what, where, when, why. And last, but certainly not least, your thesis sentence. Probably the most important sentence in your entire essay. You need to state your claim. That requires you to restate the question and answer that question. The question in this model essay is, has Mr. Doolittle changed on the inside? Let's see what this model essay says. Despite the extreme makeover of Mr. Doolittle's outward appearance that occurs later on, that's restating, then they answered, he has much the same internal identity throughout this play. So they restated the question, which is, did he change? And then they answered it. According to this essay, no, he has not changed. He remained the same. Please pause the video during this time and make sure that you restated the question. Has Eliza's internal identity changed from the beginning of the play to the end? And you need to answer her internal identity has changed, or her internal identity has not changed. It has remained the same from the beginning to the end. Please pause the video and check that over. Okay, excellent job. So if you went through the three steps of this video, you have an engaging hook, you have title, author, genre, you have your background information, and you have your thesis statement. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of your teachers and have a great day. Bye.